Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, guys, today is a great day. Today is NFP day. All right, and you know what we do on this on such days, yeah. You know what we do in days like this. So, what we do is we trade the NFP news together. All right. So, in case this is your first time joining us to trade the NFP and you don't know what NFP news means, so NFP is a report considered a key indicator of the overall health and direction of the U.S. economy. Okay, so the data of this NFP report significantly influence financial markets, and can affect various asset classes. All right. So let's say currencies, stocks, commodities, okay, gold, stuff like that. Okay. So the data is going to affect it. All right. So as a trader, what are you supposed to do? So what you do is you look out for this news. Okay. You see what the previous data has done, what happened in the previous data, and then you correlate it with what is, you can easily say, okay, this is what is going to happen in the nearest future or in the next data. All right. So you can predict what is going to happen today with what has happened before. Okay. I'm not saying it's going to be 100% correct, but most cases it is correct. All right. So if the data gotten from the previous month is higher, then there are possibilities that the one that is going to be getting this month will also be higher. Okay, most especially if the one has been gotten from the previous datas has been the same thing. So in most cases, the one that will be gotten from today's data also will be higher. All right. And then if the data gotten is low, then there are also possibilities that um what we are going to be getting today will be a weak data. All right. And guys, there are two ways to actually trade the USD when the news is happening. Okay. There are two ways to trade the USD when the news is happening. So if the data gotten is high, is strong. So let's say the US data come out strong because the data that was gotten favored the USD, then USD is going to buy. All right, USD is going to buy. So in this case, USD would buy to the upside. Okay, so anywhere USD is the first instrument. So here right now you see USD is the second, AUD is the first. Okay, so in this case USD is not going to buy, USD would sell. Okay, but anywhere USD is the first instrument, is the first one in the pair, USD would buy. Okay, so let's check out where USD is the first instrument. So take for example here USD here. All right, USD CHF. So we took this trade on our premium group, and I've already asked them to take profit because we made good profit. Yeah. So in this case, USD would buy. Why? Because we have a strong data. Okay, the data came out strong, so USD is going to buy. So here where we have USD JPY, USD would buy. Why? Because USD came out strong. Okay, so that is how it works. But if the USD comes out weaker, then USD would sell. Okay, so in this case, USD will sell if USD data comes out weak. Okay, if the data doesn't favor the US economy, then their USD, which is their currency, would get weak, and then it will sell for that minute. Okay, that particular minute when the data was released. All right. So in case of XAU USD, which is the gold, if the data comes out strong, where the USD is buying, then XAU USD is going to sell because XAU USD here is the second instrument. Okay, so USD would sell if USD come out strong, but if USD come out weak, then XAU is going to buy. XAU USD would then buy. All right. So just take note of this. Okay, take note of things that I've said here. It's very important. Okay. So anytime you want to trade news, it's very important. You have to know, what you are doing. It's very, very important. You have to know what you're doing. So most people would ask me why I love trading the UXAUUSD when the news is about to happen. Yeah, I love trading the XAUUSD when the news is about to happen because it's very volatile. It can easily give you good money. I'm not saying you should trade the XAUUSD, the gold, when the news is about to happen. Okay, you can trade other pair. You can trade NZD You can trade GBP whichever instrument has USD, even here where we have USD you can trade all of these. Okay, you can trade any of them, but the most important thing is trade whichever one you are comfortable with. And the movement of XAUUSD is quite fast. So I love to trade it because it's very fast. All right, I don't want something that would. The other ones, I'm not saying they are not fast, but they can't give me the kind of profit I will make from XAUUSD. Yeah, you can say if I also lose to the market, uh, I can't lose as much as what I will lose on XAUUSD. Yeah, that one day also, you understand. But if XAUUSD, if you are going to make money from it, you are going to make good money from it. Okay. I remember our the last time we traded NFP. Okay, we made a reasonable amount of money. Okay, we made a heck amount of money. I'm telling you. I don't know if you still remember, guys, but that was last month. Okay, the market movement was crazy. The market movement was crazy. We took the trade, and within how many minutes the market went straight into profit. So that is how profitable the NFP can be if you are lucky enough to go the direction the NFP is going. All right. So and that is what we're going to be doing here today. So let's start with our analysis. Yeah. Let's go to the higher time frame because the gold market has been moving crazy these days. Yeah, the gold market has been moving in a crazy direction. So let's see what is going to happen in the next few minutes. Okay, because the news is going to be released in less than 20 minutes. Less than 20 minutes, I'm telling you. Yeah. So you see, I think gold is on all-time high right now. You see, gold is on all-time high. This is the weekly. You see, this is 2021. This is 2020. This is 2021. You see, for how many years now, the gold hasn't really gone above this level, and the gold has just gone above all of these crazy levels. Okay, so we have the all-time high on gold, all-time high on gold. You see, this is crazy, guys. We have all-time high on the gold instrument. The gold has never been this high. All right, gold has never gone this high. Gold has never gone up this high. So we have an all-time high here. The market went up crazily. All right. So now that now that we know that this is what the market is doing, let's just mark out the previous highs. So we have this area. See, sometimes making analysis can be stressful. Mostly if you don't know where the market currently is. Okay, what I mean by where the market currently is if you're not experienced enough, you'll not even know that you're supposed to come to maybe monthly to see where the market has been or what the market has been doing. All right. And that can be damn overwhelming. I'm telling you. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see right now, as you can see right now, the market would come down. Right. So the market would come down since since we have these movements, the market would come down to level with the downside because the market has had an all-time high So what the market is going to do here is, this is what's going to happen. So this is what's going to happen, guys. You see, this is what's going to happen. So the market is going to come down to this level. Okay, the market is going to come down to this level, and the market will then buy. The market will come down to this level and buy from this level. Okay. So you see, the market is going to come down to this whole level and then move up from here. Okay. The market is going to move from here. And as you can see, the market is already leveling up to, to this level. It's coming down here right now. And what do you think it's coming to do? You want to level down before 2:30, okay, before the news take effect. So when the market get to this point, the market is going to buy. The market would buy. All right. So it's crazy, guys. All right, let's go to GBP USD. Okay. So you can also make analysis from all of these areas, all other instruments, to see what is going on with them also. You see. You see. So you see, as you can see right now, you see the market is going to move up. All right. It will get to this level before the market comes down. Yeah. So with this analysis right now, we can also use, what we've gotten here as a means of speculating on what is going to happen next on XAU USD. I'm telling you, yeah. So right now, XAUUSD, we have this chance, as I've said earlier. So the market would come down to this level. Yeah. So once the market comes here, the market will continue its uptrend. Okay, yeah, the market has to continue its uptrend, but first it needs a reversal to the downside. So once the market reverses to this point, it will then start to buy to the upper point. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I'm looking for a perfect entry for us, so we don't just jump into conclusion. You understand? So we are gonna have a buy limit. Okay, we are gonna have a buy limit. We are gonna have a buy limit, and once the market gets to that point, the market would buy from there. All right. All right. So we are gonna have a buy limit. Okay. All right. So the news is happening in 5 minutes. Okay. In 5 minutes, the news would happen. So this is my entry. All right. This is my entry. This is my stop loss, and this is my first take profit. Okay. So guys, I think we should set a buy limit here. All right. Let me just quickly copy. Okay. All right. All right. So, guys, set your buy limit. Set your buy limit on this price. Set your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, set a buy limit on this price. All right, we have less than 2 minutes to impact. We have less than 2 minutes to impact. Set your buy limit and your stop loss. Buy limit, take profit, and stop loss. All right. Okay. All right. Few seconds more. Few seconds more, guys. All right. In less than 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds. All right, guys, it's happening. Our trade has triggered. All right. Our trade has triggered, guys. Our trade has triggered. We are making profit. We are making good profit right now. Okay. All right, little drawdown. All right, we are in profit, guys. Good profit, good profit, good profit, good profit. Now close, close. Secure your profit. Secure your profit, guys. Secure your profit. Secure your profit, guys. We made overwhelming profit. All right, we made overwhelming profit. Close your positions. Close your positions. We made overwhelming profit. Close your positions, guys. We made overwhelming profit. We made overwhelming profit. All right, so TP1 hit. TP1 hit already. Even if you didn't close, the TP has already hit. Okay? And I'm sure you made bastard and crazy profit. Okay? You made crazy profit. So it was profitable, yeah? The trade was in all way profitable. The trade was very, very, very profitable. All right. So guys, please make sure to share screenshots of your profit. Okay. Share screenshot of your profits. You see, this is how to trade. This is how to trade the news. This is how to trade the news. All right. All right. So guys, we made credit profit from XAUUSD. We made credit profit from XAUUSD. All right. All right. Okay. So guys, please you send, make sure to send your profit screenshot to me in the group. Okay. If you are part of my premium member, please make sure to share your profit screenshot. Yeah, it's very important. Okay. All right. All right. So it was successful. So we had a buy limit around here, even though, yeah, I was actually looking at this area, but I don't want us to go too down. I don't want us to go down too much, where the market would then maybe not get to our entry point. So I used this instead, even though I saw this and I saw this. Okay. So we had another probability here. I knew even though the market didn't reverse from here, the market was going to reverse from this point. Okay. The market was going to reverse from this point. But you see, they were closer. Yeah. So instead, I just put it on the first one. And you see the market even still went all the way to this area before it, came up. So I knew, we had chances around here, around here, around here. Let me just mark the areas out. So we have the first point here, we have the second entry, we have the third entry. Okay. So I'm just trying to teach you guys something that is very important. All right. So please pay attention to this. So you see, we had this point of interest. We have the 3 points of interest. We have the first one. We had the second one. We have the third one. But what I did here is instead of um, taking this last one, okay. But this last one here is the sniper entry. Okay, so what I did instead is I took the first one since they are very close to each other. So I took the first one and then I had my stop loss below all of them. Okay, so even though the market is going to come to this area, at least I'm not going to lose the trade. Okay, I'm not going to lose the trade. But what happened? The market came all the way down to this point before it actually moved to the upside, and we made crazy profit. Okay, so I think the market also hit our TP2. Let me see. Okay, so the market didn't hit our TP2. Yeah, it didn't hit our TP2, but we made our TP1 profitable. All right. So guys, this is how to trade the NFP news profitably. Okay, this is how to trade it profitably. All right. All right. Okay. So as I was saying earlier, the reason why this buy is because we had a weak data from the USD. Okay. So we had a very weak data from USD. So yeah, from USD, and that is why the market bought to the upside. Okay. So if we go to our instrument where USD is the first, you see the market selling. And you see that's exactly what happened here. You see the market sold down. And why did it sell down? It sold down because USD came out weak. Okay. And that is why XAU USD was much stronger. Okay. XAU was stronger, and then XAU bought, weakening the USD. All right. So this is basically how to trade the news. I'm sure you must have learned one or two from this today. So guys, join the premium group, okay? Because aside this trade, I've given my premium members other, trade earlier, and we all made profit from the trade. I knew the market is going to go down, but what we did is we took profit before the news, okay? We took profit before the news. So this is how to be a profitable trader. It doesn't necessarily mean that you must wait for the market to hit your take profit. You can run away from the market when you start making good profit. Yeah, that is just basically how trading works. Okay, nobody is perfect. Nobody is the perfect trader. There's no perfect trader anywhere. All right. So even the so-called professionals at the top, those that believe they know everything, they still run away from the market when they are making profit. There's no rule that say you must wait for your TP. I don't. There's nothing like that in forex trading. Okay, so if you have that mindset that you must have take profit and then forget about the trade, no, it doesn't work that way. All right. So there's no rule in the forex market that says you must wait for your first take profit. Once you start making profit, you have real money. You are making profit. What are you waiting for? Run away from the market. Okay. So I'm sure you must have learned one or two from this, as I've said earlier. We had this trade also. We were not able to close because we had our focus elsewhere. But though the trade is still running right now, but hopefully it goes into profit, and we are able to close the profit. All right. So guys, that's basically it. Let's see if we can do something else before the end of our session. Okay. Let's see if we can do another analysis before the end of our session. You see, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. The market just moved to the upside. It's crazy. I'm telling you, it's crazy. All right. So same thing happened here. Here we have. Okay, I think we took this trade yesterday, and the market hit TP just now. Yeah. Yes, we took this trade. I'm not sure. I don't really know when we took it, but I'm sure we took a trade that is similar to this. I don't know if it was yesterday, but the market seems fresh. Okay. So let's just go. Let's continue to look at what the market has done. Let's see what the market has done. You see, when the news, you see what I said about GBP USD? What did I say? I said the market was coming to this point. Okay. Yeah. I told you the market is coming here. All right. The market is just going to continue to go up until it gets to this point. You see, this is why you need to have that one-on-one session with me, so I can teach you things you need to look out for in the forex market. All right. Because as you can see here right now, you see the market is still moving to the upside. The market is still moving to the upside. So what this basically means is the market will get to this point because we have that, our point of interest here. So when the market gets here, the market will then reverse to the downside and then sell down. Okay. The market would sell to the downside. The market will sell to the downside a lot more. Okay, very much. Like the market will really go down. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go back and check XAU USD. Let's see if we can get an opportunity to sell. Yeah, I see the market has hit my second take profit, if I'm not mistaken, right now. You see, the market is still scaling to the upside. Yeah, I told you the market is just going to make a retest and then continue to go up. And what happened? The market actually made a retest and it's still going up. All right. So let's look at other instruments. All right, let's look at the BTC USDT. So I made this analysis in the morning, and what I'm looking out for here is a breakout to the either to the upside or to the downside. But whichever one happens first, the market would continue to that direction. If the market breaks out of this zone, then we have an uptrend to look out for. If the market goes below this zone, then we have a downtrend to look out for. The market can also get to this point and then reverses, to the downside, bounce to the downside before it continues its movement to the upside. Or if peradventure the market breaks this low, then the market is just going to make a retest and then continue to sell to the downside rather. Yeah. All right, so that's just it. Let's check Ethereum USDT. So the crypto instruments don't seem to be coming down anytime soon. Okay, they don't seem to be coming down anytime soon. As you can see, the market has continued to go on up hunt. Okay, so what I mean by up hunt is it's looking for area where it will stop buying. Okay, all right. Okay, so you see, market movement is crazy. All right. see, we should have sold again, but we didn't. No hard feelings though, because we already made fantastic profit from it the first time. So there's really no need going in again. All right. So guys, we've made good profit. And right now the news is not yet settled. Okay, the news is not settled. So what I mean by not settled is, you see, the candlestick is still the candle, you know, where the news took event is still the same candle that is still running on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so we can actually go to the 15 minutes time frame to look for another entry opportunity, but I don't advise that. Okay, so here is another opportunity that we can actually look out for. Okay, so we have another point of interest there. All right. All right, so let's see what happens when the market gets to this point. All right. Okay, guys. So it's already 3 p.m. and as you know, our session is scheduled for just 1 hour. So guys, we've come to the end of our live 3D session for today, for this week. Join us again next week. Let's do this, okay? So guys, that will be all for today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend, and bye for now.